Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer customer feedback from GetFeedback to Zendesk, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your GetFeedback account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Identify the survey for which you want to transfer feedback. Click on the survey to open its details. Locate the section labeled Responses or Feedback. Export the feedback data. Choose the format for the export, such as CSV or Excel. Download the file to your computer. Now, log into your Zendesk account. Access that admin section from the sidebar. Select Manage and then click on Import. Choose the type of data you want to import, in this case, customer feedback. Find and select the file you downloaded from GetFeedback. Map the fields from your GetFeedback export to the corresponding fields in Zendesk. Ensure that essential fields such as customer name, feedback, and email are correctly matched. After confirming the mappings, proceed by clicking on the Import button. Wait for the import process to complete. This may take a few moments. Once the import is finished, check for any errors or prompts in Zendesk. Confirm that the feedback has been successfully transferred by reviewing some of the entries. If needed, you can edit or refine the imported feedback within Zendesk. Your customer feedback from GetFeedback is now successfully transferred to Zendesk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.